Hello miracles, how are you doing? I'm so happy to be here with you. I am coming to you today from Sedona. Look at this. Look at this beauty. I'm super excited. I was like craving the vortex energy. And I wanted to come here and explain you a couple of things that I have been getting some questions about my online course. I have an online course coming up on May 5th. I'm launching it. I just released my I just released my album. I just released my book. It's called The Modern Medicine Woman. In my book, I cover plant medicine, I cover keto, and I cover fasting and biohacking and the sleep and manifestation tools, some metaphysical teachings. I cover a lot of topics in my book, and I got some emails from some amazing ladies that they want to work with me. I have been coaching actually one-on-one for the past couple of years, but I don't think I want to do that anymore. I think I feel like more in a group setting, because when you do it with the community, when you do it with the like-minded people, you get better results and you actually enjoy it more and you have more fun, and you know, hold each other accountable, which that, you know, helps to succeed better and faster, and you're basically enjoying the ride. And the whole thing is all about enjoying life. I don't want this course to be, you know, do's and don'ts and restrictions and, you know, not fun. Sorry if you are hearing some noise around. I'm outside. But I put a microphone on, so hopefully you guys are hearing me well. So the course is going to be basically, I'm taking only 15 ladies. I would like to work with ladies. Keto and fasting is different for ladies than for men. And since I have been through it, and since I have experienced, and since I know what happened to my body as a woman, I have better knowledge about it. So for me, it's a lot easier to share that instead of figuring out, you know, men stuff, because as a woman, we're not supposed to be fasting all the time, and we're not supposed to be fasting actually around our moon cycle, which I will dissect all of it and give that information. I would like to hold this group for 15 ladies, and it's 12 weeks long. We're gonna break down everything. I have my curriculum actually on my website. It's available. It's on www.lavida-coaching.com. If you go there, you'll see my curriculum. I break down it on 12 weeks and where we're gonna start and where we're gonna end, which you should email me and set up a free consultation with me before we get to start. I will have actually meet all and each and everyone. I would like to get to know who is coming into the container. You know what I mean? I would like to, that's why it's not available to sign up online directly. I would like to have a little bit of interview of where you are and why you want to do this, and if you are actually a perfect fit for the group. I have already signed up a couple of ladies. We still have time. I would like to keep doing this, sharing the information and making it fun. You know, I want it to be fun because I'm having so much fun doing it. So that's first thing. So this course is 12 weeks, 15 people max, but even if I have one person, I'm starting it. You know, it's all about just decide to do something and you do it. I don't care if there's 1 or 15, I'm gonna do it. Then starts May 5th. It will be Zoom meetings every Wednesday, 3 p.m. It's going to be 90 minutes because after we go through the class, I would like to actually check in with each and every one of you to see how we can support each other. We are going to have a private Facebook closed group where we can communicate during the week, we can keep each other accountable, we can share our process, we can share our thoughts, and you can ask any questions. I will not be taking any emails during the week. I will be only answering emails on Wednesdays, and I like everyone to communicate on Facebook group, which I will be active on it more often than just staying on the emails. I don't really want to spend so much time, you know, on my computer basically. And how much is it? Everyone's keep asking me. This is my first time holding an online group coaching, so I made it actually super reasonable. It's 12 weeks and it's $55 a week. You can pay it monthly or you can pay it all up front. If you pay all up front, I will give you a 20% discount. Also, if you bought my book, actually, in order for you to attend to this coaching, it's kind of a prerequisite because I am sharing a lot of startup information in my book. So you have a baseline. You have to buy my book to be more knowledgeable. I guess it's not like you have to buy my book, but I prefer if you bought my book and read it, and so you know who you're working with, you know. And if you buy my book and post a photo and tag me, that person also will get a 20% discount from the whole package. I will be starting new groups every 12 weeks. So if you cannot make this round, you can always make the next round. What else do we have here as a question? Pretty much I answered everything. If you have any questions, you can always email me on coachjuliet@gmail.com. I will be posting a lot more on my Instagram page, which is my handle is @JulietBerlin. It's pretty easy. Ask me questions. Let me know what you think. If you want to have your complimentary consultation for 15 minutes, let's get in touch and let's set it up and let's see if I can help you get to the next level. If you are feeling tired, if you've been into yo-yo diet all your life, if you don't have the results that you've been craving for, if you are sluggish, if you can't sleep properly, or if you can't maintain the weight loss that you've been trying, this is not a diet course. This is not a weight loss course. This is a total radical, sustainable, lifestyle changing course. I'm not going to just share fasting and keto. I'm going to be sharing a lot more. I've been doing this almost all my life. I have been super lucky to have amazing people in my life. I learned from them, and now I am so honored that I get to share it with you all. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Much love.